Hey, Figure 1, what do you see right now?
I see a red apple on a plate in the center of the table, a drying rack with cups and a plate, and you standing nearby with your hand on the table.
Great, can I have something to eat?
Sure thing.
Unveiling the revolutionary Figure 1 robot. Let's peer into the future with the unveiling of the revolutionary Figure 1 robot. Buckle up, because this machine is about to redefine what robots can do. A robot on the move. For years, robots have been relegated to factory floors and pre-programmed tasks. The Figure 1 robot shatters those limitations. This sleek machine boasts advanced dexterity and movement, capable of navigating complex environments and performing actions with surprising finesse. But it's not just about physical capabilities.
Can you explain why you did what you just did while you pick up this trash?
On it. So I gave you the apple because it's the only edible item I could provide you with from the table.
With its ability to reason and adapt. Imagine a robot that can understand your instructions, analyze its surroundings, and even hold a conversation. That's the groundbreaking reality of the Figure 1 robot. Hey everyone, and welcome back to AI Advancements. Let's get started. A future transformed. The potential applications for this revolutionary robot are nothing short of mind-blowing. From transforming industries like manufacturing and healthcare to assisting with daily tasks in our homes, the Figure 1 robot has the power to reshape our world. Manufacturing marvels. The Figure 1 robot revolution.
Great. So, based on the scene right now, where do you think the dishes in front of you go next?
The dishes on the table, like that plate and cup, are likely to go into the drying rack next.
Great. Can you put them there?
Of course.
Let's delve deeper into the revolutionary impact the Figure 1 robot could have on the manufacturing industry. Today's assembly lines often rely on robots for specific, repetitive tasks. But the Figure 1 robot is different. Imagine a future where robots handle delicate assembly with precision. Current robots might struggle with intricate tasks requiring fine motor skills. The Figure 1 robot, with its advanced dexterity and reasoning abilities, could handle delicate components and complex assembly lines with remarkable precision. Imagine robots carefully assembling circuit boards or maneuvering intricate medical devices. Optimize logistics on the fly. Manufacturing facilities often face disruptions due to unexpected changes in material deliveries or production flow.
All right, so how do you think you did?
I think I did pretty well. The apple found its new owner, the trash is gone, and the tableware is right where it belongs.
I agree. Thanks, Figure 1.
The Figure 1 robot's ability to analyze situations and adapt its behavior could be a game changer. Robots could reroute materials around obstacles, adjust production schedules in real time, and optimize logistics to ensure smooth operations, even when faced with unexpected challenges. Self-learning and continuous improvement. Manufacturing processes are constantly evolving. The Figure 1 robot, with its machine learning capabilities, could continuously learn and improve its performance. Imagine robots analyzing past production data, identifying inefficiencies, and autonomously suggesting adjustments to optimize every step of the assembly process. The result: a revolution in production efficiency. Healthcare heroes, the figure robot in action. The Figure 1 robot has the potential to become a game changer in the healthcare industry, acting as a valuable support system for both healthcare professionals and patients. Here's how. Enhanced care for the elderly and disabled. Companionship and emotional support. Loneliness and social isolation can be major challenges for the elderly and people with disabilities. The Figure 1 robot's ability to hold conversations, understand emotional cues, and provide companionship could significantly improve their quality of life. Imagine robots engaging in stimulating conversations, reminding patients to take medications, or simply offering a listening ear. Monitoring health vitals. The Figure 1 robot could be equipped with sensors to monitor vital signs like heart rate, blood pressure, and blood sugar levels. This continuous monitoring allows for early detection of potential health issues and timely intervention by healthcare providers. Assistance with daily activities, from helping with mobility and medication reminders to assisting with daily tasks like bathing or dressing. The Figure 1 robot could significantly ease the burden on caregivers and provide a sense of independence for patients. Transforming care delivery. The Figure 1 robot's capabilities could also benefit the healthcare system as a whole. Reduced workload for nurses and caregivers. Repetitive tasks like medication administration or mobility assistance could be handled by robots, allowing nurses and caregivers to focus on more complex aspects of patient care. Improved patient outcomes. Early detection of health issues through continuous monitoring and timely assistance with daily needs could lead to better patient outcomes and improved overall health. Remote care management. Imagine healthcare professionals using robots to remotely monitor patients, offer consultations, or even conduct basic health assessments. This could be particularly beneficial for patients in rural areas or those with limited mobility. Personalization is key. One of the Figure 1 robot's key strengths is its ability to understand and respond to individual needs. This is crucial in healthcare, where personalized care is essential for optimal health outcomes. The Figure 1 robot could adapt to individual routines. Imagine robots learning a patient's preferred meal times, medication schedules, and even preferred conversation topics. This level of personalization can create a more comfortable and supportive environment for patients. Respond to emotional cues. The ability to understand and respond to a patient's emotional state could be invaluable. Robots could offer words of encouragement, adjust their communication style, or even alert caregivers if a patient is feeling anxious or distressed. A brighter future for healthcare. The Figure 1 robot is just the beginning of a future where robots play a significant role in supporting healthcare professionals and improving patient lives. However, it's crucial to ensure these robots are designed with ethical considerations in mind, like data privacy and ensuring human oversight in critical care situations. By harnessing the potential of the Figure 1 robot responsibly, we can create a healthcare system that is more efficient, personalized, and supportive for everyone. Beyond the workplace, the Figure 1 robot's impact could extend far beyond the professional sphere. Imagine robots that can lighten the load at home, from meal preparation and laundry to cleaning and organization. Robots could significantly ease the burden of household chores, provide companionship for those living alone. The Figure 1 robot's ability to hold conversations and respond to emotional cues could offer a sense of connection and social interaction. Revolutionize education. Imagine personalized learning experiences tailored to individual needs. Robots like the Figure 1 robot, with their reasoning abilities, could assess student progress and provide targeted instruction, making education more effective for everyone. A look ahead, embracing the future. The Figure 1 robot represents a significant milestone in human-robot collaboration. However, with such powerful technology comes the responsibility to ensure its ethical development and responsible use. We need to have open discussions about potential job displacement and ensure AI is used for the benefit of humanity. The future is now. The Figure 1 robot is a powerful reminder that the future of AI is here. It's a future filled with possibilities. And by harnessing this technology responsibly, we can build a world where robots work alongside us, empowering us to achieve more. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments below what you think about the Figure 1 robot and its potential impact on the future. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cutting-edge AI news. Thanks for joining us on AI Advancements. We'll see you next time.